Today's video is on the top 3 best badminton rackets for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Yonex Nanoray Badminton Racquet. Ever wondered what it feels like to hold pure speed and power in your hands? The Nanoray 68 Lite isn't just another badminton racket. It's a blend of advanced technology and smart design that takes your game to the next level. Built with streamlined aerodynamic nanoscience technology right into the shaft, this racket delivers a stiff flex and unmatched repulsion power. That means your shots don't just go fast, they practically explode off the strings. If you're after lightning quick returns and precision-packed smashes, this is the kind of engineering you want in your grip. What's even more impressive is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. At just 77 grams, the Nanoray 68 Lite is ultra light, without sacrificing an ounce of power. You get the best of both worlds. Speedy shots and incredible maneuverability, all while maintaining the punch you need for those powerful finishes. Add to that the high tension support of up to 30 pounds of string tension, and you're looking at a racket that offers both more power and better control. Two things every player craves. The design doesn't stop at speed and power, it also focuses on forgiveness and consistency. With an isometric head shape, you get a bigger sweet spot, meaning even off-center hits have a better chance of landing where you want them. The built-in T-joint adds extra stability, while the carbon graphite shaft keeps the construction strong but surprisingly light. It's the kind of setup that works just as well for intense rallies as it does for controlled drop shots. When it comes to specifications, this racket ticks all the right boxes. The frame and shaft are both made from carbon graphite, ensuring durability without dragging down the weight. It supports a string tension of 30 pounds. Ideal for players looking for sharp, controlled shots. Classified as 5U, weighing between 75 and 79.9 grams, it's built for speed. The grip size is G4, measuring 3.5 inches. Comfortable for most adult players. The balance type is headlight, which makes it quicker to swing and easier to handle in fast exchanges. Add in the isometric head shape for a generous hitting area, and you've got a well-rounded performer. And yes, it comes pre-strung, so you can step on the court straight away. For adult players who want to combine speed, precision, and style, the Nanoray 68 Lite proves that high-performance gear doesn't have to be heavy or hard to control. The only question is, are you ready to handle the kind of racket that might just make your shots unreturnable? Press subscribe like you're gripping your racket for the first time and ready to win. Number 2, best overall. Yonex ArcSaber Badminton Racquet. Ever wondered what makes a racket feel just right in your hands? It's not just about the brand name, it's about the perfect mix of weight, grip, flexibility, and design. The Yonex original US version racket is a great example of that sweet spot. From its elegant look to its performance-ready build, this racket is made for players who want both style and function without compromise. First, let's talk about the look. The color is a sleek grayish pearl, which gives it a classy, modern feel that stands out without being too flashy. It's the kind of design that says you take your game seriously. Plus, it's pre-strung by the manufacturer, which means you can use it straight out of the box without worrying about finding the right strings or setup. That's a huge win for convenience, especially if you just want to get on the court and start playing. When it comes to weight, this racket sits in the 4U category, averaging around 83 grams. That's light enough to give you quick, smooth swings, but still solid enough to pack power into your shots. Whether you're smashing, driving, or just rallying, this weight balance helps you move fast without tiring your arm too quickly. The grip is a G5, which is on the smaller side, giving you a firm hold and better control. This is especially good for players who like to move their grip quickly during play or prefer a more precise feel when hitting. It allows for better wrist action, which can be a real advantage in fast rallies. Flexibility is another important factor, and this racket has a medium flex. That means it offers a good balance between control and power. Too stiff, and you might lose some comfort. Too flexible, and you might lose some accuracy. Medium flex hits that middle ground, making it ideal for a wide range of playing styles. Both the frame and the shaft are made from graphite, which is known for being strong yet lightweight. This material not only improves durability, but also helps with shock absorption, so your arm feels less strain during long games. In short, the Yonex original US version racket combines elegance, performance, and comfort in one package. From its stylish grayish pearl finish to its well-balanced weight and reliable materials, it's built to help you play at your best. If you're looking for a racket that's ready to go right out of the box and can keep up with your game, this one's worth a serious look. By the way, which of these badminton rackets would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Li-Ning Wind Light Badminton Strung Racket. Imagine holding a racket that feels so light it almost becomes an extension of your arm. At just 77 grams, this racket is built for speed, agility, and precision. With its head-heavy balance, you'll get that extra punch of power right where you need it, without sacrificing control. It's the kind of balance that lets you smash hard when you want, but still move the racket effortlessly for quick reactions. One of the biggest highlights is Li-Ning's unique super light technology. This isn't just about shaving off a few grams, it's about completely transforming how the racket responds to your hand. The lighter design makes your swing more sensitive and controlled, so you can make quick adjustments mid-game. Every shot feels sharper, every movement more fluid, and you get the flexibility to pull off those perfectly timed, almost stealth-like strikes that catch your opponent off guard. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in your gameplay. Then there's the Nano Power Frame, a true game changer. Built with advanced nanotechnology and an isometric head shape, this feature strengthens the frame while enhancing durability. The result? A racket that doesn't just last longer, but also boosts your performance. The isometric shape expands the sweet spot, so even off-center hits pack more accuracy and power. It's like your playing style gets an upgrade without you even realizing it. Every shot feels more confident and consistent, but the innovation doesn't stop there. The compressed groove design is another subtle yet powerful advantage. The grooves in the frame are engineered for a low drag coefficient, which means less air resistance. That translates into faster swings and smoother rotation during play. You'll notice how effortlessly you can move the racket, whether you're making a lightning-quick defensive block or whipping out a sudden drop shot. And with that added precision, every movement feels calculated, sharp, and under your control. Put it all together, and you've got a racket that's light yet powerful, durable yet flexible, and fast yet accurate. It's designed for players who want to move with ease, hit with confidence, and dominate the court with both speed and strength. Whether you're smashing from the backline or controlling the net with delicate touches, this racket gives you the tools to take your game to the next level. And the best part? You'll feel the difference from the very first swing. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for